Hi guys, it's Alex from Classic Retrofit. We often get asked what's in the box when buying our products. So today we thought we'd open some boxes up and see what we've got inside. Starting with our CDI Plus, these are available in 6 and 3-pin configuration, but the contents of the box is the same. So let's see what we've got inside the 6-pin box. So opening up the box, you'll find 2 pieces of paperwork. You have a quick start guide and a test certificate. Then have your CDI unit and the USB programming cable. So here's a CDI Plus against the Bosch unit. As you can see, the case has been designed to look very similar. And inside we have the old Bosch electronics, and here is our modern PCB board in our new CDI Plus unit. So our CDI Plus is plug and play, so you can remove your Bosch unit, plug in our unit, and the car will run straight away. All units come with the USB cable. You don't necessarily need this as the units are plug and play, but if you want to go down the programming route, that is an option.